Unlock the secret behind pricing strategies that influence consumer decisions and boost your sales dramatically. Price anchoring sets a reference point for customers, making your offering appear irresistible. Picture walking through a store, spotting a deeply discounted item with an enticing original price slashed. That marked price acts as an anchor, subtly guiding buyers towards the lower, more attractive price. In this way, shoppers perceive the deal as valuable, even if the original price was merely a facade. But how does psychological pricing truly work in modern marketing, and how can you implement it effectively? The key lies in understanding human perception. What's deemed cheap versus expensive is all relative, shaped by context. Consider this: a $1,000 phone feels affordable when the next model is priced at $5,000. Consumers often opt for the best perceived value, typically using a comparison of similar products to guide their choice. Creating an anchor with a significantly higher price can make a lower price point wildly appealing. However, successful price anchoring requires strategy. You should ensure your anchor price feels realistic and not deceptive. Show off the anchor price clearly. A strike-through on e-commerce sites wonderfully communicates instant value to shoppers. Adding urgency, like limited time offers, leverages the fear of missing out, pushing buyers to make quick decisions. Beware, anchoring can backfire if it seems manipulative. Customer trust must always come first. And, remember not to rely on this tactic too heavily. It can wear thin without real substance behind it. Think of complementary strategies, like decoy pricing or bundle pricing. Together, they amplify the effectiveness of anchoring. With software like inFlow, managing pricing strategies transforms from complicated to seamless, optimizing your revenue potential effortlessly. Are you ready to elevate your sales game and captivate your customers with smart pricing techniques?